Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to color pen tool in Photoshop. Okay. Example: create a new layer. Select the pen tool. Now see this pen tool. Freeform tool. Add anchor point tool. Delete anchor point tool. Okay. I select the pen tool. Now see this fill color. Shape. Fill color. Stroke color. You edit stroke or do not edit stroke as you wish. Now hold Alt press for delete, hold Alt press for delete. Okay, now see this automatically color this. Another way to color, apply the same formula for use pen tool. Okay, and again color the shape. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.